Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, Jay. How are you? Happy Saturday, y'all. Whew. Hi, pup. Thank you for the hello. I hope you have a lovely party and have a lot of fun. Hi, King. How are you? And Unicorn, hello. Congrats on getting here first.
Ladies.
Yesterday was so damn long, so I'm glad that I'm here and I'm upright. It's too hot. I saw that. I can't believe you tried to go for a walk or a hike. Was it a walk, but because it was 90 degrees, it turned into a hike? Any walk is now a hike. There we go. Nice fade. Very cute. Okay. Anyone's really free to join me if you would like to play. I am not doing anything specific or very exciting. So, post it in the Discord, please. I can't stop yawning. I'm sorry. I know I'm not helping. But have a good night, Raheen. I love you, buddy. Sleep well and have a lovely Sunday. Oh my god, unicorns and Allie, speaking of twins. I can't believe we got twins first game. Oh, they're seashells. I never knew what his mask was. Wow, Engineer Beast. Why would you do these things? P-Diggs comes back on Sunday. I am so excited. I like your mask. Love you, twins. Yeah. I forgot I brought this. I hope she liked her tunes. I have yet to roll a 20 with that. Not the merciless storm! Hi, Claudette. Oh no. You know, this twins could not. And we could all get some points, but... Oops, I'm so sorry. Wow. Really? She has to slug? Well. Come on, 4% when I don't want to. There we go. Bummer. That could have been a fun game. At least I got one gen done. That's kind of shocking, to say the least. I never got water. I forgot.
Hey, you cheated. Just kidding.
Just kidding. gonna go to this one. Meow. Awaken. I heard a lot of people are getting sick. Ooh, sick with what? There we go. There we go. If she hadn't dropped the pallet, I probably might not have hit her. Ah! Where do you think you're going? Also, I heard rumors that they were... Hi, Adam. I like his name, Mad Scientist, and he's playing Adam. Goth. Also, I heard rumors that where I live is gonna have bad storms, so I hope they're not true. We just got some bad storms here, so if you get bad storms, I hope you're very safe. Oh, it's this guy. The guy who's too fried. Oh, I can't believe that didn't hit him. That was an accurate blink. I'm not even going for kills, don't worry. Gen rushing in my game? Where'd they go? Not in the salad, right? Can you believe that? Oh. Whoa. That was some lagson. Goth, one of my favorite perks, right? And I know that there's people who get confused and think it's like a bubble, but I think of Whispers as a, what do you call it? Whispers is a cone. No, it's a cylinder. Bam. Ooh, that was a good blink. I just wish it wasn't so laggy.
I wouldn't hang around here too long.
Yum, 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 yum. If there's a perk that I'm addicted to, it's Whispers. It's not even, barbecue. He's not dead, right? I hope not. Okay. Now, where's the other guy? I'm looking for Alan, I think. Mr. Wake. You are fabulous and there's all the hype Amandas. Aw, thank you. You're the best. Did he take his flashlight back? Whoops. Don't. Oh, he didn't. You suck. It's not how it goes. You need to wait. There we go. Goth, I made a deal with them. LOL. If I ever hit it, I shall do a face stream. Ooh, that's cool. I love that that was your agreement. Ah, my face. Pantry. Grim panties. Gosh darn it.
Wonder what it's all for.
P.S. Your music is banging. Thank you. I love Gunship. Gunship is amazeballs. Meow. Where is she going? Hi. You gotta go through the middle of the boxes because that's where the hitbox is thinnest. I wonder if restarting my game will help or what. Oh, there you are. Draco, is asking someone out to dinner as easy as, hey, wanna go to dinner? Yes, and also, I think if you are wanting it to be a date, you should make that a little more clear, but it could still be that easy of a phrasing. But like, so if they're 5 stacked, we get 5 extra chests. Exactly. Got him. Oh, he went over there. Like the way I would make it more specific in a date sense would literally be like, oh hey, do you want to go on a dinner date? Or do you want to go to dinner on a date? Like, that's it. And of course, that's like if that's your relationship with them. If it's like somebody who loves to be romanced, I don't think that's the most romantic way to ask somebody out. Ooh, Goth, that's a good suggestion. Yeah, I hope that scared his poop off. Also, the way the lag is so much better.
You got tricked.
Not his name being Cowboy Anthrax. Get it? Trex. The remote hooks are... Okay, Goth, I thought so. I was like, hey, I would like to get to know you better. I wasn't gonna say anything, but I was gonna question it deeply internally. Is that the Meg? Yes, it is! Free Baba. Free Iba. The way I screamed because, like, what the hell? She went to the basement.
Yes. Perfect.
Oh, I love her. Well, Draco, at least as killer, you can kind of control the game a little bit more in terms of like fun and farming. Unlike that previous game, where the survivors were like, well, we're here to party poop all over you. Where is this guy? Oh, he went for the save. Wow, he's being a hero. We got the grab!
Nurse!
Hell yeah! I love it. This is going really well for this map in particular. You know what I mean? No! Yeah. Ooh. Got him. I am slightly disappointed as well. No. Damn, he's a slippery piece of meat. Ooink. Damn you. I can't believe I didn't go through. Meg, get out of here. You're ugly. I don't want to look at you. You're ugly. Yes! Got him! Haha, sucker! Where'd he go? Oh, I love it. Why does my hand itch? Ah!
Don't worry. It will all be over soon.
Do you think she knows? I almost missed. I knew it. I wonder if she did that on purpose, actually. The way she jumped on that gen, she would have known. Well, I hope that's not the case, because that would be really mean of that Claudette. I saw you turn back time. At least, Draco, at least the other group realized I was trying to avoid tunneling when I kept running into the same survivor and avoided downing him repeatedly. Well, at least that. You're kinder than some killers. I'll say that. Eh. I don't like you. You were mean to me. Yay, I get one. Spawn after 60 seconds. Can you believe? Your turn, my ma'am. Mammy, mammy, ma'am. Oh, so close! So close. Oh my god, the twist. The turns. The twisty turns. Where are you? Okay. What? Who turned that Claudette into a box? Even though I'm chasing Kate. Did she really? She did. She did fall down in my salad. Who's been following? There's another survivor here. I want you over there. There we go. That was the correct timing. Meow. Meow. Beep beep. Meow. Whoa. Hi, Hatch. Hi, Hatch. Panda, how are you? How are you doing, Private Panda? You're the Fang? Well, good luck. I hope you have fun. I forgot to change off of Lori, so now we have to deal with her screaming. My bad.
Let's make this day memorable, shall we?
Good luck from Adam. What's spookin'? Thank you. Good luck to y'all too. I'm sorry. I don't think I brought an offering. Oh, I did. Thank goodness. Okay. Good luck, good luck, good luck, team. Ooh, he has the cosmetic. I love it. It looks so good. Oh my goodness! I can't do it. Oof, my butt. Must be time to stretch. Yes, don't forget to stretch, people. Especially if you're gaming. Stretch those legs every so often. What game was that? There was a Lord of the Rings game where you could play goblin spider riders and they would say, move those legs. Because, you know, they're riding spiders. And that's just neat. Haha, sucks for you. Oh my god, I have Sprint Burst? I also have Flashbang? Yeah. How did he not see? Yeah. When hiding in plain sight works. I love it. That is so funny. So funny. So funny. Cute, cute, cute. You're still here. Yeah, but this is my last game. I was literally just saying that because of yesterday, I'm just so exhausted, and I think I'm gonna call it early. But you also just missed me avoid the killer in such a funny way. I'm gonna hide here again and see if he finds me. Again! Again! Defeated by the... how's the party, pup? Also, thank you for the water redemptions, my love. I appreciate that. Got the flashbang. Hee, I'm evil. Oh, I forgot about the insta. I was like, oh, he's totally gonna turn around and he's gonna look right at it. Do you think I can stun him with it? No. I can muster it. Ooh. No, let me in. It goes too fast. It's to me. Wow, getting the Vecna item right at the end. Lame. Bye, Vecna. I love you. Nah, I had my boyfriend around. Not gonna play while he's home. Gotcha. Well, you have to take advantage of the event at some point. Get those points. Anyways. Y'all have a good night. Thank you so much for hanging out and for supporting me. You all are amazing. Panda sounds super cute. Thank you. I hope you get to see some more of it. And thank you for the follow and for being so kind and stopping in. I do hope you have good games, okay? For now, I'm gonna say goodnight, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.
Ladies.